This is the router lift I made. Most of the videos in YouTube, they teach you to place this under the workbench and then put your router here so that you can have a router table. But I don't like that concept because if you lose these screws, it's hard to find the replacement screws and you might crack this plastic. I don't want the risk of destroying this because it's hard to get a replacement holder for your PAM router. So this is the concept I came up with. I just used ordinary L brackets. Then I place a nut and bolt here to hold this portion. I use another L bracket here and here, place a nut and bolt. Now to prevent the PAM router from going down, I just placed another L bracket here to support the bottom portion of the PAM router. Now I used ordinary drawer slides so that I can move the router bit up and down. And to control the movement, I just used an ordinary car jack. So if I turn this, moves up. If I want to put it down, I just control the knob here so it goes down. So just screw the drawer slides. I used two, one here, one there, and then in turn I screwed the drawer slides in this kind of L bracket, a bigger one, and then I in turn screwed the L bracket on a piece of wood. This serves as a mini table because I want this portion, the bit, to be level with my workbench. So I can just place an extension table here and then put a hole so that I can adjust the bit up and down by means of turning this jack. So see, it goes up. If I want to put it down, I just reverse it. So now it's just a matter of placing an extension table here for my router table, and then make a fence to do my routing work when I'm doing woodworking. So with this concept, I can always transfer this to my PAM router holder and then move the router by hand without the risk of destroying this by placing it under the workbench, because if I place it there, I still have to unscrew this under the router table and then place it here. With this concept, all I have to do is remove these nuts and then pull out the PAM router and then place it in its original holder. So that's my router table with a lift. Of course I have to place an extension tabletop here, but that's the easy part. I can easily turn on the router by flicking the switch, or maybe make an extension or place a switch here so that I don't have to place my hands here, just press it here, or maybe somewhere under the or near the router tabletop. So that's it. Brackets, nuts and bolts, drawer slides, car jack, and you have a router lift already. Okay, time for coffee. Oh yeah.